Hi everyone, Oren here. Firstly, Rebecca and I would like to thank everyone for their amazing feedback, and we really hope you enjoyed the Rainbow Lab activities for Science Week 2025. So this is the first of our three lucky draws. So we have 33 entries and it's to win a USB microscope. All of these entrants submitted feedback on the form we sent out to the schools. So I'm going to start the wheel now, and the very best of luck to all of you. Okay, so the winner of the USB microscope is Creagh National School. So we'll send out a microscope to you soon. In the second of our draws, we have 9 entrants for this one. Again, it's for a USB microscope, and the entrants for this competition are those that submitted photographs or tagged us images of your classes doing the Rainbow Lab activities during Science Week. So I've started the wheel there. Let's see who's the lucky school. Okay, so Ballinderry National School, congratulations, we have a USB microscope on its way to you. And our final draw is open to members of the public who gave us feedback on doing the Rainbow Lab experiments in their homes. So we have 20 entries for this competition, so best of luck to all of you, and the winner will get a Rainbow Lab science kit sent to your home. So best of luck. Okay, so congratulations to Donnchadh Woulfe. You've won a Rainbow Lab Science Kit, so we'll send that out to you as soon as possible. So that's Donnchadh Woulfe wins a Rainbow Lab Science Kit. We have Ballinderry National School, we'll get a USB microscope, and we have Creagh National School, will also get a USB microscope. So thank you again for all of your feedback, and hopefully it will help us to run a similar project for Science Week next year. So thank you very much.